So today we'll be taking a rectal temperature on Czar here. Spin him around. Spin. Get it turned on. Insert gently. It's okay. He has a temperature of 101.7 degrees Fahrenheit. So today we are going to be taking the pulse rate of Wiley here. Turn him around. And we'll be starting now. So we have 32, which would be 128 beats per minute. Will you just stay still? Don't be cute. So now we will be doing the respiratory rate here on Wiley. Hold on. We will be starting now. So for Wiley, we got 15 and 30 seconds, so we got 30 breaths per minute. So now we will be oscillating the heart and lungs on Wiley here. Hold on. Come here. So we will start on the right side. Moving over to the left side. Hold on, I know. And not everything seems to be within normal limits.